In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print orders WooCommerce. If you need a quick paper copy or a PDF of a customer's order, you can do that directly from your WordPress dashboard without any extra tools. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard. This is the same place you manage your site content and settings. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage orders. If you're not seeing WooCommerce options in the sidebar, you may need a higher role or to check that WooCommerce is active. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click WooCommerce, then select Orders. This opens your order list where you'll see recent purchases, their statuses, totals, and dates. If you have a lot of orders, use the filters at the top to narrow by date or status, or use the search box to find a specific order number or customer details. Next, locate the order you want to print. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by glancing at the total, the date, and the current status like processing or completed. When you're sure, click View on that order to open the details page. This opens the order in the admin panel view where you can see everything you'll likely want on a printout: billing and shipping addresses, line items, quantities, taxes, shipping method, order notes, and the grand total. If anything needs correcting, make adjustments before printing so your copy reflects the latest information. When the order looks good, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. This brings up your browser's print dialog. You'll get a preview of how the page will look on paper or as a PDF. From here, choose whether to send it to a physical printer or save it as a PDF. Select your printer if you're printing, or choose Save as PDF to create a digital copy for your records. Adjust settings as needed. Portrait usually works best, but switch to landscape if your columns are cramped. Reduce margins or set them to default for consistent spacing. If your layout uses shaded tables, turn on background graphics in the print option so table headers and dividers appear clearly. You can also tweak the scale to fit everything neatly on a page. Before you finish, scan the preview to confirm the addresses, line items, totals, and order number are visible and legible. Then click Print or Save. That's it. Your WooCommerce order is now printed or stored as a PDF, ready for packing, slips, accounting, or customer support.